In this video, you will learn how to save firewood and charcoal by using rocks and a grate when cooking. Using rocks in your cook stove allows air to circulate under the fire, making the fire burn hotter and with less smoke. You will save a third of your firewood by using rocks. If you add a grate under the rocks, you can save up to half of your firewood. When adding rocks, choose rocks that are about 5 centimeters in size, about the width of 3 fingers. Arrange the rocks about 2 fingers width apart to let the ash fall to the ground. Do not let the rocks touch each other. Do not use river rocks, as they may explode, which is dangerous for you and your family. Place the wood over the rocks. This will help the fire burn hotter and you will have less smoke. After you put out the fire, you can also place the cook pot directly on the hot rocks. The hot rocks will continue cooking the meal for a while. Remove the cooled ashes from around the rocks daily. To save even more firewood, put rocks on a grate. By adding a grate, you can save half of your firewood. Make a circular grate about 22 centimeters in diameter, which is about the length of your foot, with legs about 2 centimeters high, about the width of 2 fingers. The legs will keep the grate a little off the ground so air can flow under it. Put small rocks on the grate. Do not let the rocks touch each other. Place the firewood on the rocks. Remember, you will save 1/3 of your firewood if you add rocks in your cook stove, and you will save half your firewood adding both rocks and a grate. And there will be little smoke. Less smoke may be better for your health and the health of your family. Remove the cooled ashes from around the rocks daily. If you use maize cobs or other crop waste as fuel for your cook stove, you will also use less if you add rocks and a grate. Rocks work in charcoal cook stoves too. You can save 1/5 of your charcoal using rocks in your charcoal cook stove. Put 1 to 2 centimeter rocks, about the width of 1 or 2 fingers, on the grate. Keep the rocks 1 to 2 centimeters apart, about the width of 1 to 2 fingers. Put the charcoal on the rocks. Using rocks in the bottom of your charcoal cook stove will save you charcoal and money because you will need to buy less charcoal. Please share this video with everyone you know.